What's happening, good people? I go by the name Phoenix Flame. I'm a music producer, and today I'm back with a new tutorial. Today I'm gonna be making a beat for Tory Lanez. So I've been on YouTube, everybody's covering like the trap side of it. Today I'm gonna be making a classic rap beat for Tory Lanez because he got those in the new Toronto 3. So I wanna try out the Oracle by Cymatics. So I'm gonna be using samples from them. So I want to check out what they have right now. All right. I want it to be somewhere between around 95 BPM. But in order for me to do that, I want to chop it up first, but we'll see. Let's just make this one unique. What I like to do most of the time, I like using slicer, but today I'm gonna try to chop everything while using the playlist. So let's get straight into it. And I see they have the stems for this sample, so this is gonna come in handy when we're arranging this beat at the end, because there might be, I might not use that bass line, I might use my own bass line, but we'll see as time goes. So first things first, what I like to do, I like chopping everything in a bar. So then let's hear that. Okay, I like this part. Like this part, it loops perfect. Let's pitch this 5 semitones up. So basically what we're doing right now, we're moving it to D minor. Let's try 7 semitones down. I'm feeling like I need like some decap drums on this, like some live drums or Kashmir's, one of those two guys, like we'll see. So we're gonna do like a drum roll right there. So right now I just created my drum roll. So I'm just gonna make it come in like let's try that. I think the beat is too fast. Let's try it like okay, the sample, I think we went a little bit too hard with the sample. Let's just bring this back. No man, you and you. All right. Then thank you guys for tuning in today. This is about it. This is the beat. The beat is done. I'm gonna arrange it, then play it. Please don't forget to tell your friends and everybody about me. Please subscribe. Please help me grow this channel. I'm new to the community, but I'm trying by all means to give you more content every day. Please give this video a like, comment, and subscribe again. I love you. I go by the name Phoenix Flame, and I'm signing out. Let me just mix this bit real quick, then play it for you guys.